Hello student, this is our chapter number 2, early humans. So in our previous class we have discussed about the stages of evolution. After that, stone ages, the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age and the Chalcolithic age. We have discussed briefly about the Paleolithic age, which is called Old Stone Age. Now in today's class we are going to discuss about the Mesolithic age, that is also called Middle Stone Age. Mesolithic age lasted for a much shorter period as compared to Old Stone Age, or we can say that the Paleolithic age. As compared to Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age is much shorter or very short period of time. It exists from the period of about 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC, approximately 2000 BC. This period is called the period of transitions, in which many transitions occurs. It was a changing period from the Paleolithic age to the Neolithic age. So we can say that Mesolithic is in the middle of Paleolithic and Neolithic age. So it acts as a bridge between Paleolithic and Neolithic age. Now, the main feature of Mesolithic age were as follows. Mesoliths advanced stone tools. They have advanced stone tools. Stone tools used in this age were more refined, means more advanced, smaller, finer, lighter, and advanced than those used in the previous ages. As compared to previous ages, the stone tools the humans used in Mesolithic age have advanced tool as compared to previous ages. Now, these were called microliths. These tools are called microliths. Micro means small. That's why that's called microliths or advanced stone tools. The word micro means small and liths means stone. That is called microliths. These stone tools look like stone blades, the blades of stones, had sharp finer edges and very typically less than 3 centimeter in size. These tools typically 3 centimeter in size, thus they were much lighter tools which were used to catch fast moving animals. They used they usually had barbed edges, that zigzag edges at one end for killing the animal effectively. Middle Stone Age toolkits includes points which could be halved on the shaft to make a spear. To make it a spear, it halved on the shaft. Besides stones, animals' bones, horns, tusks, and wood were also used for making a variety of tools or weapons in Mesolithic age. That tools such as scrapers, hooks, borers, hammers, sickles, etc. The bow and arrow made it easier to hunt fast moving animals. The animals which move fast, but with the help of bow and arrow, they kill that fast moving animals. Hooks and baits improved fishing. With the help of hooks and baits, they improve fishing. They used to fishing. Axe and hammer were now much larger and had wooden handles. Hammers and axe have wooden handles. Knife made of stones were used to cut plants, fruits, and meats. Stone sickles were used to reap crops, and digging sickles sticks were used to till the soil in order to sow seeds. When they have to sow the seed in the soil, they dig the soil with the help of sticks. Bagar in Rajasthan, Aramgarh in Madhya Pradesh are two most important Mesolithic sites where we can see the Mesolithic age. Climatic change. In this age, climate become warmer and drier than Old Stone Age. As compared to Old Stone Age, in the Mesolithic Age, the climate become warmer and drier. The positive change in the environment on the earth result is an important change in the life of plant and animals and man also. This is a positive thing that it is easy for a man to survive in that type of climate rather than of a chilly or snowy climate. After ice age, grass, weeds and plants that had for so long remained hidden under the ice began to grow on the earth due to melting of the ice, and that seeds begin to grow due to melting of that ice. The earth became green with the sprouting of new kinds of seeds bearing plants. Due to this reason, this age mainly saw a large number of new kinds of plants, which also includes wheat, barley, and rice. Due to the change in the life of plants, plant eating animals grew in numbers. And because of greenery, the plant eating animals also increase in numbers. With the growth of seed bearing plants like wheat, barley, and rice, men started eating their seed as food, and humans also start eating the seeds as their food. Slowly they learn to grow them, and after that they learn to grow them as crops. But the end of this age, they were on the road to civilization, having discovered a new aspect of life known as agriculture, and they used to grow crops, and that growing thing, that aspect of life known as agriculture, which become their major occupation in next age. And that thing, that occupation become the major occupation, the main thing in the next age. Now food. In the beginning, the people in this age were hunters and the food gatherers. They hunt animals and gather foods from here and there, like they were in the old stone age, as same as they were doing in the old stone age. But toward the end of this age, but at the end of this age, they learned about growing crops. They learned how to grow crops and cultivating fields. Thus agriculture became a major feature of the life of men. After that, this became the major feature of the men of the Mesolithic age. They ate berries, fruits, nuts, roots, and other edible fruits. The all edible items, they used to eat them. They also prepared they also prepare food uh, on an open fire. On an open fire, with the help of fire, they also cook their food. Now the shelter where they live. Shelter, although people started living in the houses in this age. In this age, people also build their houses. Most of them still live in caves, but many of them are still live in the caves and rock shelters. So that's all from this class, student. I have taught you today the Mesolithic age, the Middle Stone age. Read it carefully to your home. If you have any doubt, then you can consult with me. Thank you.